We designed the best, simplest, easiest, and fastest softbox to set up, mount, and gel. So, how do you make the world's best softbox even better? Introducing the MagBox Pro 42 Octa, MagBox Pro 36 Strip, and redesigned MagBox Pro 24 Octa. The new MagBox Pro softboxes feature the world's first magnetic grid system that's lightning fast to attach, a super easy zip-on diffuser with built-in storage pocket, and a newly designed shell made with lightweight, durable ripstop fabric. The MagBox Pro 42 and 24 Octa and MagBox Pro 36 Strip are unquestionably the most versatile, most capable, and most dialed-in softbox system ever created. Amazing soft-controlled light for all types of shoots. Works equally well with either speed lights or studio strobes. And easily swap out MagBox Pro sizes to change the look and unleash your creativity. No matter where you're shooting or what kind of light you're using, the MagBox Pro delivers super soft light, even output, wicked fast light controlling grids, and fast swapping color gels. Our worldwide product development team at MagMod is constantly seeking feedback from some of the world's most talented photographers, listening to MagMod users in the community, and like you out shooting portraits, weddings, and events ourselves. We know setup time is critically important to our users, so we made setting up these larger softboxes easier and faster than ever. Whoa. Let's slow this down. Here, see for yourself as we set up a MagBox Pro 42 Octa and a leading competitor's box. Just watch. MagBox Pro softboxes are one solid piece with no extra bars, screws, and plates to deal with. Setup and teardown have never been quicker.
Wow, that was quick. This is amazing. Can I also use these new softboxes with LED video lights?
Yep, we've been using them this whole time. In fact, these new softboxes are amazing for videographers, just as they are for photographers. But that's not all. We also re-engineered the Mag Shoe. Yep, that one. The most popular ergonomic cold shoe adapter ever. The new Mag Shoe 2, with its new anodized gold color top, is now stronger than ever, built to support the weight of these larger softboxes. The original Mag Shoe is perfect for mounting a flash or the popular MagBox 24, but when using the MagBox Pro 42 Octa or MagBox Pro 36 Strip, you'll need to use the mightier, and might we add prettier, Mag Shoe 2. The MagBox Pro Series, Mag Ring, and Mag Shoe 2 all work together to help you shoot with confidence, knowing your tools are not going to let you down, so you can focus on creating awesome images. When you're ready to pack it up at the end of your shoot, teardown takes just a few seconds, and everything fits conveniently into the brand new large mag case. The MagBox Large Case features a new adjustable carry strap and is perfect for storing your softboxes at home, in your studio, or taking them on location. MagMod was born in 2013 with the mission to make awesome photography easy, with lighting tools so simple they can only help and never hinder your creativity. Our magnetic modular ecosystem makes controlling, coloring, and modifying your light easier than ever. That's what makes MagMod the modifier system of choice by many of the world's best photographers. We are super excited to bring you these new products, and we're just getting started. Fast, easy, awesome. That's MagMod.